With this Clickbank affiliate marketing method, you don't need a website or any money to get started. I will break it down into 4 simple steps. You can copy this exact affiliate marketing method and start making money right away. I will also share 2 bonus tips to maximize your affiliate earnings. I will first show the manual way and then go to the automated way so you can scale this method and make even more money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. The first step is to find a profitable affiliate product to promote. Once you log into your Clickbank account, click on Marketplace and you will see this page. The product you select to promote is very important for you to make affiliate commissions. If you are a Clickbank affiliate marketing beginner, select a product from these 3 categories I'm about to show you. They are known to be profitable overall: e-business and marketing, health and fitness, and self-help. For the purpose of this video, I will choose health and fitness. Then sort the results by gravity. Clickbank gravity is a weighted score given based on product sales. So if you see a higher score, that is a good indication that the product is selling well, but it also means there is a high competition amongst affiliates. Let's choose this product and I will take you step by step how to promote this Clickbank affiliate product. Whatever the product you choose, click on promote and add your Clickbank account nickname, and then you can also add a TID, which will help you identify when you get sales which affiliate marketing methods has gotten sales. For example, here you see various TIDs and I have specifically added these so that I know which method is working best. With this product, the average conversion is almost $50. Now imagine this: if you can get 100 people to visit this sales page every day and out of that just 3 people buy, then you make over $100. Do you want to know how to get 100 people or more to your affiliate link for absolutely free? Then give this video a like and let's move on to step 2. Go to Google and now we are going to find people that will be interested in the product you selected in step 1. You can type a word related to your affiliate product and then an email provider. I said at the start of the video I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips. So here is the first one. Go to search setting and change this to 100. This will show you 100 search results for a given page. Next, set the location of a tier 1 country. For example, you can choose United States, Canada, and so forth. Then you get email of about 100 people. Now, copying this one by one is going to take you a lot of time. So I have an easy way to get these email addresses. Just go here and install this Chrome plugin. You can easily get a list of email addresses which you can simply copy. I recommend adding it to an Excel file or a Google Sheet. Keep watching. I will show you how to use with an absolutely free automation affiliate marketing method up next. You can change the phrase you typed along with the email provider, and the amount of emails you can get it limitless. It is very important that you don't spam. So the next step is about what to write to them so that they click on your affiliate link and actually buy the Clickbank affiliate product. Before we move on to step 3, I want to remind you, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button to get value-packed videos like this, where I show you how to grow your audience and income with smart strategies. Most people write their own email and often they don't get any affiliate sales on Clickbank. This is often because it is not written by a professional who knows about copywriting. You need to write an enticing email that people will want to click and buy the product. So here is the next bonus tip for you. If you go back to the Clickbank marketplace, often they provide affiliate resources for affiliate marketing. For example, if you go to the affiliate resources of this product, they offer various banners, social media posts, videos, and if you scroll down, you will also get email. Just download this. These are written by professional copywriters and convert well. All you need is to add your affiliate link here. The next step is about sending the email. The manual way for you is to write an email to each and everyone and hope they will click on your affiliate link so that you can make money from Clickbank. This manual affiliate marketing method will take a long time to work. These are the scenarios that could happen when you email someone. First, they might not open the email. And even if they open the email, they might not click on your link. Then the other issue is that they will open the email, they will click on your link, but they might not actually buy the product you are promoting. The one that you want is that they read your email, click on your link, and buy the affiliate product you're promoting. So, how do you make that happen? For each of these scenarios, you can add follow up emails. I recommend that you choose this automation method to follow up. You don't need any money to get started. I will show you how you can use this. Click the first link in the description below and it will be taken to this page where you can get a 30-day free trial and you won't even need to enter your credit card details. Once you create an account, you are now going to import the emails you got from step 2. Go to list and then select add contacts. On this page, select the list that you want to add the contacts to. You can add contacts you got from the earlier step one by one, or you can upload the Excel file that you created. Click on Add New and you're done. Next, I will show you how to automate this process of sending emails and following up. On the top menu, click on Automation, then click on Workflows. You can select any template. For this video, I'm going to select Build from Scratch. You can give a name and then select subscribe. This means that when someone is added to the list, you can send a message. Then you can wait for 1 day and then send another email. And you can know if the message was open or not. And based on that, you can send another email with a different title. Now you got several emails from the email swipes before, so you can try out to see various versions. Likewise, you can use different events to see if they clicked on your link and so on. This Clickbank affiliate marketing method is super effective and will work on any affiliate product. If you are looking at other free ways to get traffic to your affiliate offer, watch this video next.